In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Slack, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Slack and signing in on your desktop app or in a web browser. You'll want to be in the workspace where you normally chat with your team. Once you're in, look for your profile picture, usually in the corner of the app. Click it to open your profile menu. This is where Slack keeps quick controls for your status and notifications, so it's the fastest way to let your team know you're away. In the menu that appears, click Update Your Status. This opens a small window where you can choose a preset or write your own message. If you see an out-of-office preset, go ahead and select it to save time. If you prefer something more specific, type a short, clear message like out of office, back Monday morning, or on vacation, checking Slack weekly. Keeping it concise helps colleagues understand your availability at a glance. You can also add a simple emoji like a palm tree or airplane to make it extra clear. Next, set how long your status should last. Use the Remove Status After dropdown to pick when Slack should automatically clear your message. You'll usually see options like today, tomorrow, this week, or a custom date and time. Choosing a clear end time prevents outdated statuses from confusing your team later. If your return date is still uncertain, pick a longer window and you can always adjust it when plans change. Now, decide whether to pause notifications. Check the box labeled Pause Notifications to silence alerts until your status expires. This is great when you truly need to disconnect. Slack will hold notifications, including mentions and DMs, until you're back. If you still need to keep an eye on urgent messages, leave this unchecked or set a shorter pause window. Your status will still show to others either way. When everything looks right, click Save to activate your status. You'll immediately see your message and emoji appear near your name, and teammates will see it when they open your profile or message you. If you return earlier than planned, just click your profile picture again, open Update Your Status, and clear or edit it. The same steps apply on mobile, though the menus may look slightly different. That's it. Your out-of-office status is set, your notifications are handled the way you want, and your team has the context they need while you're away.